Is Ogbeke Nike developing? Yes. Now this video, I started it from Ogbeke Nike to show you the area called Ogbeke Nike. That signpost is an estate owned by a real estate company, and you are going to see Ekweremadu's estate, Senator Ekweremadu's estate. That is it. That signpost by the left, that is Senator Ekweremadu's estate by the left. Okay, that is another signpost belonging to another company. So Ogbeke Nike is quite developing, and it's one of the areas most real estate developers are moving to. Okay, you may be hearing me talk about Ogbeke Nike, Ugwogo Nike, Abogazi Nike, that the lands there, some are mostly for land banking. Yes, so you can see from this video why I am telling you that the properties there are for land banking, but then development is not far from the area. So watch this video till the end, because you're going to see Ogbeke Nike till we enter into the city of Enugu State. At least it's going to be an eye-opener for you to see the distance from Ogbeke Nike into Enugu City. Enjoy the drive. Yeah, look at that. Look at those buildings you're seeing by the left side. That is Vivian Estate. Okay, after Vivian Estate, there's another estate by the right, and then we have another estate by the left also called Elim Estate. As a matter of fact, about 10 years ago, the only estate around here was Elim Estate. Yeah, so if you know this area very well, you will understand what I am talking about. So that is Elim Estate by the left. So many persons must have been hearing about Elim Estate, Elim Estate. That is Elim Estate. Okay, so it is still in Ogbeke Nike. We are almost entering into Ibagwa Nike. Yeah, so we've entered Ibagwa Nike. Okay, let me explain how the Nikes are lined up here. If you are going into town, starting from Ogbeke Nike, after Ogbeke Nike, you get to Ibagwa Nike. After there, we get to Edem Nike. Are you getting it now? Then after there, we'll now get to Abakpa Nike. Okay, so that is how the Nikes are lined up here. So as you can see, development is not so far from this area. It's springing up little by little, and it may surprise you to know that the people that live here, they are enjoying constant power supply and they have good water as well. So it's just for you to see the distance from Ogbeke Nike into town, and for you to see that development is coming into this area little by little, and for you to decide when to invest here such that your return on investment would start appreciating little by little. Remember that I told you that the lands we have in Ogbeke Nike, Ugogo Nike, Abogazi Nike, they are all for land banking. Alright, so it's somewhere you buy and you just allow it to appreciate little by little. Now let me shock you. Elim Estate, I think Elim Estate about 10 years ago, like I said earlier, that was the only estate there. But as you can see, so many other estates are already springing up around there. And beside the Elim Estate, you cannot see any property less than 5 million naira today. That is the truth. Okay, so it's a question of time. It's a matter of time. Your return on investment will make you smile. So keep watching to see other places. You still remember Nike Lake Resort, right? Okay, at least you remember that one. We're going to pass through Nike Lake Resort. Okay, we are almost there anyways. So you will see Nike Lake Resort, and then we'll now pass through the road that leads to Abakpa. We aren't going to enter into Abakpa, no. I'll just show you the road, and then we'll pass through Transekulu because we are going into town. Yeah, so we'll pass through Transekulu, and then I'll show you the places. Just keep watching to see everywhere by yourself. Yes. yes, this is the T junction. If you climb this flyover, driving straight, you'll be going to Ababanike. Yeah, so but like I told you, we are not going to pass through Ababanike. We are going to pass through Transikulu and come out at New Market Road and then to 82 Division. So this is Timber Market we're approaching. Timber Market by Transikulu. Yeah, that's the area we're approaching now. So keep watching as we proceed. So as you're seeing for yourself how development is happening around the Nikes. Yes, so keep watching and keep feeding your eyes. Yes. Yeah, so this is Timber Market, left, right. Yeah, Timber Market, look at it. We call it Timber Market though. By the left, by the right, that's the market. So keep moving. We are going into town, remember? So you just have to watch till the end, because I would like you to see for yourself the distance from inside town into Ogbeke Nike. Okay, in as much as we did from Ogbeke Nike coming into town, so it's the same thing, the same distance. So keep watching and do not forget to kindly drop your comments at the comment section. Yeah, places you would want me to visit. If there are areas you have missed, yeah, I understand that. If there are areas you have missed and you'd like me to make a video there, do not hesitate to say it at the comment section. Yes, and then areas that investment is happening, just tell me what you want with respect to real estate investment in the city of Enugu, and I will be right there to give it to you. Keep watching. Wow, we are finally here in 82 division. Yeah, as you can see, the arrow is pointing to the left and the right. This whole environment belongs to 82 division, the left, the right. Yeah, so if you check the minutes this video, you would agree with me that from Ogbeke Nike to this 82 division is less than 30-minute drive. Yes, if you have been following up with the video from the beginning till we got to 82 division, you would agree with me that it's less than 30-minute drive. So it's not somewhere you invest your money and you are not going to make profit. No, Ogbeke Nike is really developing. Remember, I told you, I have been saying it and I'll keep saying it. Anything you are buying around there is for land banking. However, it's not going to be more than 5 to 10 years for you to start earning good return on your investment, given the rate at which real estate developers are moving towards that area. So I encourage you to have a plot or two now that the properties around there is still very cheap and affordable. Yeah, so this is Ogwe Junction. You remember here we have so many videos we passed through here. So this is Ogwe Junction, and we are moving down to fire service. So I am your best friend and real estate consultant here in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria. Love it, Aneke. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Like my videos, share, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any of my videos, you will be notified. Call or WhatsApp me on 0803 743 5005. Until I come your way again. Bye for now.